In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream to Discord using OBS Studio. By the end, you'll be sending a polished, professional scene from OBS straight into a Discord voice channel so your friends or community see exactly what you want them to see. First, open OBS Studio and set up your scene. Think of a scene as your canvas. Everything you want to show lives here. In the sources box, add what you plan to display and arrange it in the order you want. Drag items up or down to control what sits on top. This is a great time to rename your scene so it's easy to find later and to glance at the audio mixer to confirm your microphone and desktop audio levels look healthy. Your scene can be anything you need: a game capture for a specific title, a display or window capture for your desktop or an app, or a camera feed if you want to be on screen. Use the plus button in sources to add game capture, display capture, window capture, or video capture device for your webcam. Resize and position elements so they look clean, and check that your canvas resolution matches what you expect in settings video so your output isn't cropped or blurry. When your scene looks right, start the virtual camera in OBS. You'll find the Start Virtual Camera button in the bottom right controls dock. This turns your OBS output into a camera device that other apps can use. Leave OBS open with the scene active. Anything you show here is what Discord will receive. If you don't see the virtual camera option, make sure you're on a recent version of OBS. Now switch to Discord, join a voice channel, and click the share your screen icon. This gets you ready to broadcast to everyone in that channel. You'll still control visuals from OBS, so you won't need to pick a specific app window here unless you want to. Next, set Discord to use your OBS output. Open the video settings or click the camera icon and choose OBS Virtual Camera as your video device. You should see a preview of your OBS scene. If the preview looks mirrored, don't worry, others see it correctly. If you see a black screen, confirm the virtual camera is running in OBS and that your scene has a visible source. That's it. You're now streaming your curated OBS scene into Discord. Switch scenes, add overlays, or transition between layouts in OBS, and your audience in Discord will see it instantly. Enjoy your stream.